often feel that there is no time for you? Well, I tell you what, do you want to make more time? Have you taken a look at your calendar lately? Most of us have a calendar in our phones, on our desk, whatever, physical or virtual, but we do have it. Sometimes I have many of them. I want you to take a really conscious, mindful, critical look at your calendar. And I want you to tell me of all the appointments that are in your calendar for your car, for the doctor, to take your dog to the vet or your pet to the vet, to go to a party, whatever. How much of that time, not just monthly or yearly, but not weekly, but daily, is assigned for you? Time that you book for you, time that is there, set on a stone, just as important as taking your car to the mechanic, for you to thrive, to invest in yourself, to put your own oxygen mask. And I tell you, since I started doing that because I was feeling overwhelmed, I had so many tasks and stuff like that, and then I'm looking, how come I'm always busy, but I'm not productive enough to accomplish and manifest the dreams that I really want? Why my book is not evolving? And it's simply because I'm not booking time with myself to sit down and write. So since I've been doing that, it's unbelievable how many things off my list, of my own list, the list that mindfully supports in conscious actions today, my future vision that my higher self has put together for me, so my life can flow in the direction of my dreams and is aligned with my soul, and everything can manifest so I can thrive in me today. But most importantly, as I project my life to the future, I'm consistently aligned and creating. But to create that first, I have to create some time in my calendar and book myself with me some time. Take yourself as seriously as others. Reclaim all that power and all that time you're putting outside in the world, and you'll see as you invest in that and you water it like the garden of your heart, everything will start to flourish as the spring is coming along, by the way, mind the analogy. So love, peace, namaste. Make sure you leave your comments below, you subscribe above, share with others, because if you thrive in yourself and I thrive in myself, together we're stronger and we're going to create a beautiful, beautiful world. The world needs you. I need you. Let's do it. Together we're stronger. Namaste.